Hello, welcome to this video. uh, so in this video, I will show you how to create a historical report. A historical record, and also how to use cadet in so we could export historical information to Excel. So I've prepared analog point in here. You can see the analog using analog point viewer that this value is moving. So this is gonna be the one that we use for the example. Oops. Okay. Historical simple. So for that, first we need to create the historical data set. Let's say random point record, and then the description historical report of random. So the point name is random, so I just put historical report of random. Then you can click collecting. You have to click collecting, so it will start collect the information from that point. And if you want to use it as for replicator, you also need to check this square, this tick. But in case you don't have replicator, then you don't need to check both of it. Then now sample duration. So sample duration means how long that you want to hold the information in your internal storage. Let's say if you set the sample duration is 5 minutes, then it will only took to record 5 minutes back, not more than that. So usually you need to consider how long that you will record the information. Depends on how many sample that you will get on each hour. Let's say you put 1 second in here, and then 1 minute in here. It means you will have 60 record of this point. So sample duration basically how long that you want to record the information, the latest information. Sample interval is how long that you how many samples that you want to get. Let's say you put it 1 minute, and let's say 1 hour, for 2 hours. So you will have information 2 hours back every 1 minute. So the total point the total record that you have for this point is 120. If you put this every 1 second, then it means that you will get like 60 times 120. So let's say I will put it as 5 minutes and 1 second, and the observation interval is I will put 1 second. So it will be have the observation interval meanings it will get one it how long that this let's see in the manual. So here it is. Observation interval is specifies how often to take the observation of the points values for purpose of calculating statistics such as minimums, maximum, and average. So we can define that later for the maximum and minimum and average. If you want to have more detail on definition, you can go to the manual in here. Okay, so I will put the sample duration 5 minutes. I will have the record 5 second, let's say, and then observation interval for 1 second. So each 1 second it will be observed, and in 5 seconds there will be only one record in that. So it will observe the total 5 seconds, but it will only produce one record on each 5 seconds, and it will take only 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes pass, then the latest record will be deleted, and the new record will be insert in the data in the historical information. If you have any condition that so uh, if you have any condition that required to record the information, then you can use it in here, but it's not so often to, using this function. This one you can click maximum 200 points in here. So if let's say I have this, and then I have this. So let's say if I want to read this 2 point, then I can just put this in here. If I want to read more than this, you can just drag and drop from where the point belongs. In this case, I will delete this, and then I will put another similar, the same source of point, but I need a different qualifier. Okay, you can define if its value you want to know the point maximum, the point minimum, the time maximum, the time of minimum within the observation time, average, summation, maximum average, minimum average, maximum time average, minimum time average. So in 5 seconds you will see each point in each second, and it will produce only one value that will shows the value itself. It will be random. The point maximum within 5 seconds, the point minimum within 5 seconds, and then the time of maximum within 5 seconds, and so on. So that's the idea. Then once you're done, you can just let me check collecting. It's done. 5 minutes, 5 1. Okay, condition points data. Then you can just click OK. Now you're done creating the historical dataset. At this point, you can you already create the command in the database to record the information of random point. Random point is this one. If you want to see the information, you can just display it in here, I guess. Oh no, it's not recorded yet. Okay, probably after 1 minute we'll go back there. So if you want to create the report in PDF format, or in if you want to specify which column that you want to produce in the report, you can go to historical in here, and then you can create, right click, click new, then you can go with the title of the record, let's say random record, and then you need to choose the data set that you just created, this one. It will shows all the point inside it, and then let's say I would just want to look the value, then preview. Oh, I need to specify this one. 5 minutes, interval 5 minutes until 5 minutes ago, until oh, this oh no, it's nothing, it's like should be interval 5 minutes. Preview. Just put this one. Point maximum, time maximum, point minimum, time minimum, average. So here they are. Okay, now you see this one, and okay, we need to put the caption. Caption is this value, If you want to specify the decimal, you can just specify it in here. Okay, and then edit. This one is maximum value. This one is time. You can use UTC or local. If you have any, if you want to specify format, you can specify it in here. Okay, what's this one? Minimum value. Okay, this one time minimum. Oops, time minimum. Mm, okay, this one is average. Okay, now preview. Great. So you can see random point record, historical report of random value, maximum value. So maximum value within 5 seconds. This one minimum value, uh, and the average, and the time of the maximum. It's time of the maximum and time of the minimum. Okay. Now sending the y. So exclamation coach. Okay, great. What's this? I think it's something wrong with this value. However, I can just continue. Okay, now we are done for creating the report. So if you want to export it, you can just export it in Excel PDF format, and you can just put the directory that you want to send. Then just click OK. If you want to create schedule, you can use this. Go to the manual for these details. Then okay, yeah, that's all for the historical report. Now we start with the SCADA